Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get a secret cosmetic in Monkey's room, plus a bunch of other stuff. So, the secret cosmetic is if you don't already have it, it's the book holder cosmetic. But you have to have the yellow book in order to do this. And, that's not going to be open for you. You would have to go over here, and you would have to, no, it's not over here. You would have to go in here and buy the yellow book for 1,000 bananas. So I'll be showing you how to do it, but I have to rejoin in order to do it. So once you join Monkey Zone, you can do this in a public or a private. If you do it in a public, it opens up for everyone. So you just wait. This takes forever. You just wanna wait. Have some patience. Okay, there you wanna run over here. I don't know why I'm invisible. I'm gonna turn on my computer.
Yo, wait, I'd like to show you something.
Let me free.
Yo, I'd like to
join the room. If you wanna join. I don't know what just happened. Put me in the lobby already. Alright, so you just
Aki! Get some money!
I'll be one pixel tall playing this game.
Wait! My Hey, Rat! Come on, Pet Rat! I got you a home! I know where you and him can live! Come here! In this hole, right? He's calling me! So what happened?
Okay, once you joined your code, sorry for the toxic people. Ooh, I'm gonna be a trusted user. So you just wanna equip the yellow book if you have it. And you go up the stairs. You turn left, and you go shink. And then you see this empty book, you just put it there. And it'll open up. It does not work for the other one, I'll tell you that. Then you can open this, and unlock. And I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. It's the book holder. You put that in the yellow book. Mobile camera's cool. Look, it shows me. And it locks on me. It's gone now. So yeah. I have no idea where I am. Ouch. See what I mean by that? It's hard to do it like this. Alright, I'm trying to get used to this. Climb up here. Camera's cool. Where am I? Okay, so if I just go to the right. Yeah. Blaster! Pew pew! You don't have to have it on your right, you can have it on both. Just so. Anyways, that's how you get it. Bye.